Introducing Teams, the powerful new feature for seamless team management on Journey. Start by creating your teams directly in your account settings for making setting up a breeze. Simply go to Account Settings, tap Teams, and here you can create a new team, so Demo, and then you can simply add members, as many members as you want, and done. From here you can assign teams to specific OKRs, initiatives, and metrics, keeping your projects organized and accountable. So we're going to click through on Strategy, and you can simply add a team here. Or if you go to Metrics, same thing. That's it. Please let us know if you have any questions, and you can always contact us at support@thejourneyplatform.com.